Hello, today I'm going to make some choco balls with some biscuits. As you can see, these are some mixture of biscuits. You can take any biscuits. If you're taking choco biscuits like Oreo biscuits or any other chocolate biscuits, you can remove the cream first if it has cream and then crush them. Now these are some are chocolate and some are not. So I can add some cocoa powder in this. But for Oreo biscuits, you don't have to add cocoa powder. So let's start. First of all, we need to crush the biscuits. You can take any biscuits that I said. Marie biscuits are not that sweet. So if you want, you can add some sugar if you're taking the Marie biscuits. You can either crush them like this with the roller, or you can also put these biscuits in a Ziploc bag and then crush them like this. You don't have to put it in the mixer and make it into very fine powder. You can just crush it gently with a roller like this and make it into powder. Now all the biscuits are crushed. As these are not all chocolate biscuits, I'll add a little bit of cocoa powder. For one packet of biscuits, I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. If you're taking only Marie biscuits, you can add some sugar also. Now along with this, if you want, you can also add some crushed nuts. I have some pistachios and almonds. I've crushed them coarsely. If you like coffee, you can add some instant coffee powder in it. I'm adding half a teaspoon of coffee powder. Then grate some mozzarella cheese, or cheese cubes are also fine. This gives a little binding. Not too much, just a teaspoon or two. Mix all this well and add some melted butter. Now this is table butter, which is salted. You can add cooking butter also. Mix this well. Now use your fingers to mix it. Now this is still crumbly. You cannot bring it to make it into a ball. Now add some milk, but don't pour the milk. Just add it 1 or 2 teaspoons at a time. So I added 2 teaspoons. Mix it. And try to make a ball out of it. If you still cannot make it, add some more milk, but just 1 or 2 teaspoons at a time. Don't pour the milk in it. Now let's make it into balls. Now you can easily make it into balls. So in this whole thing I have added only 4 teaspoons of milk. So make the balls out of it. You can make this with the leftover biscuits also. Like normally in the container where we keep our biscuits, we usually have some crumbs or the last few biscuits are not eaten. So we can take those biscuits, mix the biscuits and make something like this. As we have added milk, we have to consume this in a day or two if you keep it in the refrigerator, not more than that. I've made all the balls now. Let's decorate the plate with some chocolate syrup. So I'm going to make a tree design. You can take a spoon and make the branches like this. And then keep one chocolate ball at the end of each branch. You can also sprinkle some cocoa powder on it. You can also decorate it with some tutti frutti or sprinkles. Now I'll put a few tutti frutti pieces along with the balls, chocolate balls. If you want, you can also mix them along with the other ingredients while making the chocolate balls. Now that one side has some chocolate syrup, I'll add some sprinkles like this. Sticks to it. Now if you have used Oreo biscuits, you had removed the cream from it. So you can make small balls with the cream and attach that to the balls to make it look beautiful. These are the chocolate balls with biscuits.